Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best and most innovative products on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best 1lb weight plate available, the EVERYMATE Fractional Weight Plate Set. Whether you're a beginner looking to gradually increase your lifting capacity or an experienced lifter looking for the precision to take your training to the next level, these fractional weight plates are designed with you in mind. This set includes 8 precision-engineered plates, each designed to help you add incremental weight to your Olympic barbells. This is a great feature, especially when you're striving to break through plateaus or if you're looking for a steady way to build strength over time. These micro plates allow you to increase your load by as little as half a pound, giving you a more controlled and gradual way to build muscle without the risk of overloading. One of the standout features of the EVERYMATE fractional weight plates is their construction. Made from a solid steel core, these plates are both durable and stable, offering great resistance without compromising on quality. The steel construction also means these plates are corrosion resistant, so you won't have to worry about rust or wear and tear. They also lack the typical rubber smell that comes with some other weight plates, making them a great choice for home gyms or other workout spaces. For anyone who's ever tried to distinguish between different weight plates in the middle of a workout, the color-coded design of these plates is a game-changer. The different colors, vibrant and easy to distinguish, make it simple to identify the weight you're working with, which is especially helpful when you're focused on maximizing your workout efficiency. Whether you're doing a quick set or adjusting your load, these plates help you get the right weight, right when you need it. As for compatibility, these plates are perfect for Olympic barbells with 2-inch center holes, and they also work with 1-inch barbells when paired with an Olympic sleeve adapter. This versatility makes them a great addition to almost any gym setup, whether you're using a standard barbell or one that's specifically designed for Olympic weightlifting. If you're new to weight training, fractional weight plates like the EVERYMATE set are essential for safely increasing your lifting capacity. They allow for a more gradual weight increase, which helps build strength without overwhelming your muscles. And for the seasoned weightlifter, these plates offer that extra precision needed to really push the limits of your strength training. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that, as with any fitness equipment, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a doctor before beginning any new workout routine. But with the EVERYMATE fractional weight plate set, you'll be equipped to make steady, controlled progress on your fitness journey. That's it for today's review. If you're looking to take your strength training to the next level with some precision and care, this set is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and where to get your own set. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.